What if imagination had no limits? Impossible? Already done. I'm Leo, mechanical designer, 21 years. I have a deep passion for mechanisms, product development, and space-aware mechanical design, creating mechanisms that work, even within tight spatial constraints. And after 21 years, I'm still just as curious about what comes next. I don't just see what things are, I see what they could become. Your creative idea, that's where I want to start. Whether it's a new concept, a patent, or an invention nobody's tried before. I'm not here to take over your vision. I'm here as your engineering assist, and that's exactly where I want to be. Let's build it together.